Perform these simple tasks to ensure your vacuum is running at peak performance. First, remove the dust canister and empty any dust and hair. Remove the foam and felt pre-motor filters. These filters are washable but should be replaced annually or as needed. The HEPA filter cleans the exhaust air. It cannot be cleaned and should be replaced once per year. The coarse metal filter may become matted with dust and can hinder the suction of the vacuum. It is best to clean the metal filter and the entire dust canister with warm water. Also clean the pre-motor filters and housing at this time unless you are replacing them. While the other parts are drying, clean out any hair and debris from the floor nozzle and main brush roller. If your vacuum has a duct access door, open it and remove any debris such as hair or your child's glow stick. Also check the hose and elbow fitting for any obstructions. With a damp cloth, clean the pre-motor filter housing and dust canister gasket. Install both pre-motor filters. Replace the clean dust canister once fully dried. It often gets overlooked, so remember to check the suction control vent. Your vacuum should now be operating as good as new.